Hello everyone! This video is based on day 1 of my Korean practice book. Today's question is very simple, but very important. What are you good at? In Korean, we say, 너는 무엇을 잘해? One more time. 너는 무엇을 잘해? This video is for listening and understanding. If you have the book, please open day 1 now. It will be much easier to follow. Let's start with the main sentence. 나는 요리를 잘해. 나는 요리를 잘해. I'm good at cooking. In Korean, 잘해 means to be good at something. Step 1. Before we start step 1, let's read the words at the bottom of the page. 요리, 요리, cooking. 노래, 노래, singing. 청소, 청소, cleaning. 달리기, 달리기, running. If you're watching with the book, you can check the words and write them as we go. Now, let's practice the sentences. 나는 요리를 잘해. 나는 요리를 잘해. I'm good at cooking. 나는 노래를 잘해. 나는 노래를 잘해. I'm good at singing. 나는 청소를 잘해. 나는 청소를 잘해. I'm good at cleaning. 나는 달리기를 잘해. 나는 달리기를 잘해. I'm good at running. Now, let's move to step 2. If you're using the book, please turn the page. You'll see the same pattern, but with different people. Before we read the sentences, let's look at the words at the bottom of the page. 공부, 공부, studying. 엄마, 엄마, mom. 남편, 남편, husband. 한국어, Korean. Now, let's read the sentences. 너는 공부를 잘해. 너는 공부를 잘해. You're good at studying. 엄마는 노래를 잘해. 엄마는 노래를 잘해. My mom is good at singing. 남편은 청소를 잘해. 남편은 청소를 잘해. My husband is good at cleaning. 수지는 한국어를 잘해. 수지는 한국어를 잘해. Suji is good at Korean.
Now, let's go to step 3. This part is easier if you can see the book, because the sentences are longer. Before we start, let's read the words at the bottom of the page. 아주, 아주 very, 돈. 돈, money. 시간, 시간 time. Now, let's read the sentences. 그는 영어를 아주 잘해. 그는 영어를 아주 잘해. He is very good at English. 나는 문제 해결을 잘해. 나는 문제 해결을 잘해. I'm good at solving problems. 나는 춤추기와 노래를 잘해. 나는 춤추기와 노래를 잘해. I'm good at dancing and singing. 민호는 축구와 공부를 둘 다 잘해. 민호는 축구와 공부를 둘 다 잘해. Minho is good at both soccer and studying.
If you want to study Korean more effectively, I recommend using the book together with this video. You can get the book online on PayHip at a very affordable price and study step by step while checking your progress. Today, we practiced step 1, step 2, and step 3. Now, in the next page of the book, try reading the short dialogue and fill in the blanks by yourself. After that, don't skip the final mini test. It helps you check what you really remember. Also, review today's vocabulary. If some words are hard to remember, check them, read them again, and come back to them later. This book is designed to help you practice, check, and review, not just read. Use this video for listening, and use the book to actually learn Korean. I'll see you in day 2.